Hey guys, this is Mr. Jair from Sunstep Elementary, and for this week I decided to teach you guys how to make a fidget spinner using coins and construction paper. So hope you guys enjoyed and find this useful. Okay, so the materials you're gonna need is a ruler, two pennies. You can use any coins, but I recommend the pennies because they're a bit smaller. Construction paper, again, you can choose any color you want. You can also use white paper, the printer paper. A toothpick for like the little straw, and scissors to cut the thing. So let's get to it. Okay, so to get started, get the construction paper, the ruler, and measure out like 9 inches or 9 centimeters. I mean, so like 0 to 9. You can make it any size you want, but I recommend this size because it's easier to spin around. So get a pencil or pen and just measure it out. Okay, so now that after you have the first line, get your penny, put it like in the middle, and then just kind of make it line across. So that's like to measure the distance between the coin and the paper. So then you just get the ruler and connect it. Okay, so now you just do the same on this side. And connect it. Okay, so now that that's ready, you could leave it squared off, or you could kind of round it at the end. So I'm just gonna be folding it, something like this. I'm just gonna keep folding it, and you should come out with like 8 or 9 of those. Again, it's up to you how thick you want your fidget spinner to be, but I'm gonna be folding it like 9 more times, so it's kind of thick. So let's get to it. Okay, so now after you fold it, get your scissors and cut it. Okay, so after you've cut them and folded them, get your glue stick and glue it together. So get one side and then just put glue it. And glue it like that. And just keep repeating it for each side. So after you glued it together, get the glue and glue it again. And then just get the other piece and keep doing the same. Okay, so after this is ready, get your toothpick and poke a hole in the middle. Okay, so after you have the hole in the middle, put your toothpick in, get another one of your pieces, and then just kind of fold it like this. And then kind of get this, and just put it in between the toothpick like that. So it's like a little platform brush you hold it. So do the same thing, make a hole in the middle. Okay, so now that you have your hole, you just put it in. Put it both on both sides. So like that. And then just cut off the axis, the extra toothpick. So like that. And like this. and separate it. And as you can see, it's starting to spin. So now get your coins, your pennies. Get some kind of glue. You can use the hot glue or the super sticky glue and glue the coins at each end. So my fidget spinner is a little bit still drying, but here's the idea, like after it's dried out, you can see that it's gonna spin with the friction of the coins. It's gonna make it heavier on the ends and it's gonna make it spin. So it's up to you how you wanna design your fidget spinner, but here's mine. So hope you guys enjoyed and find this useful.